Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Black color, blue color, pink color, red color, orange color, yellow color, dark green color, light green color, brown color, dark blue color, purple color. Now let's learn some ABCD. A for ant. B for bee. C for cow. D for dog. E for eel. F for frog. G for goat. H for hungry. I for itchy. J for jellyfish. K for kite. L for lazy. M for mushroom. N for neighbor. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for quilled. R for rest. S for swim. T for turtle. U for up. V for vegetable. W for worm. X for X-ray. Y for yarn. Z for zebra. Bye bye kids. See you in next video.